Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Aisha Explore. I hope you are all doing well. So today I'm here with another great opportunity for you. I want to talk about something really exciting that is different from a scholarship, that is a fully funded research internship in Canada called the MyTex Global Link Research Internship. So let's go to the laptop screen and we will discuss the further steps together. Basically this is the internship name MyTex ग्लोबल लिंक रिसर्च इंटर्नशिप। सबसे पहले उसका ओवरव्यू देख लेते हैं। तो ओवरव्यू में उन्होंने क्या बताया हुआ है कि दिस रिसर्चशिप ऑफर इंटरनेशनल अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स। तो यहाँ आप लोग को समझ आ गई होगी कि ये अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है ये 12 वीक्स के लिए कि जो कि राउंड अबाउट 3 मंथ्स बनते हैं। सो टू स्पेंड 12 वीक्स कंडक्टिंग रिसर्च at Canadian universities. This program connects talented students with Canadian professors and research team, allow participants to gain practical research experience with exploring academic and professional opportunities in Canada. इस internship से, इस research से आपको क्या फ़ायदा होगा, ये किन के लिए है और ये इसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या है। तो बेसिकली ओवरव्यू में ये बात की गई है। देन लेट्स मूव टू द प्रोग्राम समरी। तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने समरी में बताया हुआ है कि होस्ट कंट्री इज कनाडा, प्रोग्राम माइटेक्स ग्लोबल लिंक रिसर्च इंटर्नशिप एंड द ड्यूरेशन इज 12 वीक्स, स्टडी लेवल अंडर ग्रेजुएट और कंबाइंड अंडर ग्रेजुएट मास्टर। देन स्टार्टिंग पीरियड 1 May एंड द deadline is 16 September. Language English or French, basically this is depends on the research project. At last, application platform MyTex Global Link Students Platform. You can apply here. So now we can see degree level or academic stage. So this internship is primarily designed for international undergraduate students currently enrolled full time in an eligible undergraduate or combined undergraduate master program. So ये इसका ये मतलब है कि वो स्टूडेंट्स जो करंटली इनरोल्ड हुए हैं अपनी अंडर ग्रेजुएट डिग्री में, ये इंटर्नशिप उनके लिए है, वो स्टूडेंट्स एलिजिबल है इसमें अप्लाई करने के लिए। एप्लीकेंट्स शुड जनरली हैव कंप्लीटेड एटलीस्ट 2 years of undergraduate study with 1 to 3 semester remaining in their degree program in fall 2027. देन ये इसका मतलब है कि एटलीस्ट आप ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री के 2 साल मुकम्मल हो चुके हों, यानी 4 सेमेस्टर जब आपके कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे तो आप एलिजिबल हैं इस स्कॉलरशिप में, सॉरी इस इंटर्नशिप में अप्लाई करने के लिए। ठीक है, देन वी कैन सी द एलिजिबल कंट्रीज। दीज आर द एलिजिबल कंट्रीज एंड हियर इज द पाकिस्तान। You can see the name of the Pakistan. So Pakistani students eligible to apply in this internship. So now we can see the research area. MyTex Global Link Research Internship cover a broad range of research areas. It means subject which is covered by this internship. Applicants do not necessarily need to be studying a traditional laboratory-based science or engineering subjects. So these areas covered by the MyTex Global Link Research Internship, which is computer science, engineering, mathematics, natural sciences, health sciences, environmental sciences, social sciences, humanities, businesses and economics, data sciences, artificial intelligence, sustainability, interdisciplinary research. What scholarship covers? What is the benefits of this scholarship? At first, round trip airfare to Canada. Okay, then secondly, transportation between the Canadian airport and accommodation. Then accommodation during the internship. Food and incidental expenses, students' enrollment fee at the host institution, emergency health insurance, professional development activities, support from students' mentor, research experience with a Canadian professor and graduate researchers, international academic and professional networking. Okay, this next part is really important, especially for Pakistani applicants. Do you need IELTS or TOEFL? And the answer for the 2027 cycle is no. Pakistani applicants don't need to submit a language proficiency test. That said, you still need to be comfortable enough in English or French, depending on the project, to actually do this research, so keep that in mind. कि आपके पास IELTS की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं है, बेसिकली ये सारा कुछ डिपेंड कर रहा होता है आपके प्रोजेक्ट पे। ठीक है, तो लेट्स मूव टू द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स। तो रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स में से देख ले, तो नाउ लेट्स टॉक डॉक्यूमेंट्स बिकॉज preparation is everything here. You'll need an updated CV, your academic transcript, a reference letter from a professor, a statement about your research interest, and some information about your previous research or academic experience. We can see how to apply. let's go step by step. All right, let's walk through the application process together, step by step. Step 1, confirm that your country is participating in 2027 cycle. As we said, Pakistan is on the list, so you are good to go. Step 2, check your academic eligibility. Look at your year of study, how many semester you have left, and your grades. Then step 3, this is a big one. Start searching for research project. Go through the MyText platform and look for projects that actually match your background, your skills, and your interest. Step 4, you'll need to select multiple projects, and here is that catch. They need to be spread across the last 3 different Canadian provinces. So don't just pick 3 projects from the same city. Okay? Step 5, prepare your documents, your CV, transcripts, reference letter, get everything ready in advance. And last step, step 6, submit your complete application through the MyText Global Link Students platform before the deadline. Okay, so now we can see why does project selection matter so much. Now here's something I really want you to pay attention to, because how you choose your research projects matters a lot. ये matter करता है. क्यों? Don't just pick a project because it's from a famous university. Like, you can select a project because it is provided by a prestigious university like Canada, UK, something like that. Look at the professor research area. जो बेसिक चीज़ है, प्रोफेसर का रिसर्च एरिया देखें, वो आपकी स्किल के साथ, आपके इंटरेस्ट के साथ, आपके पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस के साथ मैच कर रहा है. थिंक अबाउट योर ओन कोर्स वर्क, योर पास्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स, एनीथिंग you have published or worked on. The goal is to show them exactly why you are good fit for the specific project, not just any project. Okay, so बहुत सोच समझ के प्रोजेक्ट चूज़ करें और उसको ज़रूर प्रोफेसर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स और उसके रिसर्च के साथ ज़रूर मैच करें. देन आपके सिलेक्शन के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. If you need any help with your application, feel free to message me on Instagram. I'm here to guide you through it. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.